Be bold and cut through the noise. Our mission is to assist nonprofit and community-based organizations with creating promotional videos aimed at their target audience, establish trust and credibility, and ultimately convert their viewers into donor support. We can accomplish this by implementing video marketing strategies aimed to drive empathy and engagement in the videos we create for our clients. At KSD Pro 1, we collaborate with you throughout the process of creating your promotional video, ensuring that the end result meets your exact requirements. We offer a range of video production services and promotional video packages to meet your organization's needs. Promotional videos. These videos can be used to introduce the organization and its mission to a wider audience, showcase its programs and services, and promote upcoming events or campaigns. Awareness campaigns. These videos are designed to raise awareness about a particular issue or cause. They can be used to educate the public, inspire action, and generate support for the organization's mission. Fundraising videos. These videos are specifically designed to help nonprofits raise funds for their programs and initiatives. They can be used to tell the story of the organization and its mission, share testimonials from clients, and inspire people to donate. Training and educational videos. These videos can be used to train staff, volunteers, and members of the community on various topics related to the organization's mission. Monthly content plan. Specifically tailored for nonprofit and community-based organizations looking to create top-notch promotional videos and organic content on a consistent basis. This will allow them to effectively highlight their work, connect with their audience, and gain increased support. Thank you for considering KSD Pro 1 as your promotional video solution. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. It is our pleasure to collaborate with you in crafting a video that could aid your organization in generating a positive impact on the world.